Hello everybody and welcome to today's phonics lesson. I hope you're ready to learn another sound. So today we are learning the R sound. My turn, R, your turn. My turn, R, your turn. My turn, R, your turn. And to help us remember this, we think of all these people here in the car and we say, start the car. My turn, start the car, your turn. My turn, start the car, your turn. My turn, R, start the car, your turn. Okay, let's have a look at some words with the R sound in. So, first of all, my turn first. D, R, K, your turn. My turn, dark, your turn. Okay, the next word is B, R, N, your turn. The word is barn, your turn. Okay, next up, my turn. P, R, T, E, your turn. The word is party, your turn. And finally, D, R, T, S, your turn. The word is darts. My turn, darts, your turn. Okay, so today we're learning the R sound. My turn, R, your turn. And here is what that sound looks like, okay? So it's special friends again. The letters A and R together make the sound R, okay? My turn, R, your turn. My turn, R, your turn. Okay, we're going to go through our speed sounds. Remember, we're looking out for today's sound, which is R. So when you see it, give it a point. Let's go. The sound is E. The sound is O. The sound is R. Yes, now I did put this one in there to catch you out. This one could be U, okay, or it could be so either. Okay, we are going to look at some words with today's sounding. So, first of all, let's look for the special friends in this word. Can you see any special friends? That's right, today's sound, so let's sound it out. My turn. Art. Fart. Your turn. Yep, the word is fart. Thought we'd start off with a silly one. Hopefully that'll help you to remember the R sound. Okay, next word. Special friends. That's it. R. My turn. R, D. Hard. Your turn. The word is hard. My turn. Hard. Your turn. Okay, last one. Special friends. Of course, it's R again. My turn. S, T, R, T. Your turn. Good, so the word is start. And that brings us to the end of today's session. So we have been looking at the R sound, which of course looks like this. My turn, R, your turn. My turn, R, your turn. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.